GoPro has officially introduced its newest action camera, the Hero 10 Black. GoPro Hero 10 Black support video recording at 5.3K resolutions at up to 60 frames per second. The successor to the Hero 9 Black brings a number of improvements such as the support for the new GP2 processor, which allows users to take pictures at higher frame rates, as well as better stabilization capabilities. Thanks to support for the latest processor, GoPro claims that the performance of the Hero 10 Black is faster and more responsive compared to previous generations. The GP2 processor also allows Hero 10 Black to process large videos and is able to reduce noise. GoPro says the new chip makes transferring data to apps wirelessly 30% faster. Just like its predecessor, the Hero 10 Black also has a front and rear screen and is supported by 1720 mAh battery. In addition, although the maximum resolutions reach 5.3K, the GoPro Hero 10 Black can also record videos at 2.7K resolutions. Interestingly, this action camera has a feature similar to a smartphone to upload videos to cloud storage while charging. This makes it easier for users to backup videos that have been taken. However, users must subscribe for a certain amount of money. The GoPro Hero 10 Black camera lens has also been upgraded. GoPro says that this camera lens is more waterproof and less prone to scratches.